Cyclone Gulab is going to form over the Bay of Bengal in just a few hours and is currently located as a deep depression over the Bay of Bengal. This cyclonic depression named 04B is currently having wind speeds of 65 to 75 km an hour, gusting up to 85 km an hour, and is just going to form a cyclone in just a few hours. It is currently moving westwards with a speed of 17 km an hour in last 6 hours and is currently located over northwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal near latitude 18.4 degree north and longitude 88.7 degree east, and is currently having a minimum barometric pressure of 998 millimeters. This upcoming cyclone Gulab is currently located about 410 km east-southeast of Gopalpur in Odisha and 480 km east-northeast of Kalingapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. This is the forecast track and intensity table of this system, which shows that this is going to form cyclone Gulab in just a few hours. Also, heavy rainfall warning is issued for north coastal Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal. This is where the system is located near 18.4 degree north and 88.7 degree east. This is the observed and forecast track of this system over northwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal. This is the observed and forecast track along with quadrant wind distribution of this system over northwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal. This is the storm surge map from the INQUEST model, where it is showing that there will be high storm surge near the coast of Odisha. This is the map of subdivision wise heavy rainfall warning for the next 5 days. This is the multimodal diagnostic comparison, where most models are indicating a maximum peak intensity of about 60 miles an hour. This is the predicted track of the storm, where most models are indicating a landfall between Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. This is the current satellite imagery of this system, where you can see it is forming a significant eye and is currently located about in the west central Bay of Bengal. This system will very likely to intensify into cyclone storm Gulab during the next few hours and is likely to move nearly westwards and cross North Andhra Pradesh, South Odisha coasts between Kalingapatnam in Andhra Pradesh and Gopalpur in Odisha by the evening of tomorrow, the 26th May. So stay safe as a cause of this cyclone and stay tuned in our channel for further updates on this system and other systems. Thanks for watching.